Welcome back to Health Check. 20 riddles that will test your brain speed. Only a genius can solve these riddles. Before starting, please subscribe to the channel for more exciting quizzes. You got this. You are a genius. Question 1. What has to be broken before you can use it? Egg. Question 2. The more you take, the more you leave behind. What is it? Footsteps. Question 3. I'm tall when I'm young, and I'm short when I'm old. What am I? Candle. Question 4. What can't talk but will reply when spoken to? Echo. Question 5. What has one eye but can't see? Needle. Question 6. What invention lets you look right through a wall? Window. Question 7. You see me once in June, twice in November, but not at all in May. What am I? Question 8. What has a neck but no head? Bottle. Question 9. What comes once in a minute, twice in a moment, but never in 1,000 years? The letter M. Question 10. What can you keep after giving it to someone? Your word. Question 11. I have branches, but no fruit, trunk, or leaves. What am I? Bank. Question 12. What goes up but never comes down? Age. Question 13. I'm not alive, but I grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. What am I? Fire. Question 14. What runs but never walks, has a bed but never sleeps? River. Question 15. What has many keys but can't open a single lock? Piano. Question 16. What can fill a room but takes up no space? Light. Question 17. What gets wetter the more it dries? Towel. Question 18. I shave every day, but my beard stays the same. Who am I? Barber. Question 19. What comes down but never goes up? Rain. Question 20. What has a face and 2 hands but no arms or legs? Clock. How many did you get correctly? Tell us in the comments section. Don't forget to pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.